Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the latest update in Photoshop mobile application. So these are the really good features, and it's including the new photo editing plus the video editing features. So this update you can use thousand of the music. Example you want to use for the your social media, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. This all the music has the copyright allowed to use, so they have a copyright code, and when you post any video you can use also copyright code. So we go to the mobile application, and when you open the application example, so you can click here video, and you can select any of the video. Example, I select this video and go to the next, and you can select here the colors. So basic example, I'm gonna choose one of the color from here. So you see there's a basic, spring, drip, autumn, vibrant, and summer, dream, silhouettes, and many colors and vivid. So this is, I think I a little bit like the vivid colors. So then I can go here, adjust the contrast and highlight, shadow, and then white, back, temperature. So you can select all here. You see this is color how you editing, and there is color changing mode. And also when you go to the edit media, you can here replace or trim, and then next you can use also textures, and you can adjust the speed 2x, 3x, 4x, and 5x. And also here you can example you want to use for the square, and basically all the social media like Instagram, TikTok, the best way to use this way 9.9 by 16, and this is like a vertical version. And if you want to also, it's depend on what you're going to use. You can select which you like. Also good option here, this is the latest update. So you can use the music track and pop dance. You can select many pop option, dance, R&B, electronic, and background. So I'm gonna use some background music here. So this is the background, and I can adjust here the volume level different way, and cinematic, okay, inspire, laptops, and look up the things. So this is the how you can select, and I'm gonna choose from here cinematic, this one, and then done. So you can play one time, so you can see the how is video playing. So you can still stop, and still you can go back to the edit media or looks, and from here you can still, if you want to change to the some different cinematic, you can change here. But it's your choice. It's, you can select the which way you like it, and I recommend you to try which is the best way. And then you go to the, from here you can select the what kind of video select you want, like a 4K and or full HD, or you want to be use estimate size, and 480, 720, full HD, 1080p, and 4K. So I'm always like to have my video highest quality, and I'm gonna save it 4K. So it's gonna save it will take while, like a few minutes, like it's depend on the how big your video, how the quality, like what are the quality you're saving. Also you need to have internet connection to choose your music, because it's within internet connection downloading video. So this is the really great option to you are making like a small video tutorial, or you are making like a small vlogging about the some information about the some application or some tutorial. I think it's really like I like really, and I'm making normally small videos like 2 minute or 10 minute short videos, so I really like it. So this is how the latest Photoshop video music and video. So when you go to the video, you see the your video already saved. Your video has video of sizes already in megabyte 250 megabytes has been successfully saved. Camera roll, uploading YouTube. So yes, if you want to upload a video, you can get here your content ID, and you see here content for ID cinematic winter and love, uploading YouTube, copy of the unique license code and content to claim this music. So this is the great option. So you can copy this one. Once you copy and once you want to upload the video, so you follow the same step and then copy and paste, because they can see your video has the authorized to use it. So this is what I want to share with you, and I hope this video helpful for you everybody. Please, if you like, and please give me a like and then subscribe my channel. I will like to bring you more videos about the tutorial about the Lightroom, Photoshop and Light Cut, many more. I will keep you posting what is my next update. Thank you guys and keep in touch. Have a great day.